Skylight installation is a job that demands precision and expertise, and that's exactly what we bring to the table. We'll take the time to recommend the best type and position for your skylight to ensure optimal results. Whether you're looking to brighten a dark room, add a wow factor to your living space, or improve your energy efficiency, you can trust us to deliver a top-notch skylight installation service. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and more spacious your home feels with a skylight.